How to link NFL Sunday Ticket with Apple ID. So firstly, open settings in your device. Inside settings, scroll down and click on General. Then select the option Software Update. Inside Software Update, look for any kind of updates that may be available for your device. If available, then update your system. Now on your device, open the YouTube app. You can also use the YouTube TV app if you prefer that service. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to use for NFL Sunday Ticket. Once you're here, click on the setting gear icon at the top right corner. Now select the option Purchases and Memberships. Here you will see the Sunday Ticket banner or search for it in the app. If you cannot see it, then that means it might not be available in your region or country. Since it's not available in my country, it's not showing up. After you click on the NFL Sunday Ticket, you can pay with your Apple ID. The purchase will go through the App Store or Apple ID billing system. Confirm payment with Face ID, Touch ID or your Apple ID password. You will see the subscriptions under settings. Then if you click on Apple ID, then all your subscription will be available on your iPhone. And just like that, you will be able to watch Sunday Ticket anywhere if you sign in with the same Google account. So that's all for today. Thank you.